Hello students, welcome to biology tutorial channel. Today we are going to do exam questions on the internal structure of a leaf. አሪፍ አሪፍ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። አሪፍ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለዘንድሮ ለ10ኛ ክፍል ብቻ ሳይሆን ለሚቀጥለውም 12ኛ ክፍል ስትደርሱ የሚጠቅሟችሁ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። በዚህ አጋጣሚ 12ኛ ክፍል ተማሪዎች እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ስሯቸው እያልኩ እመክራለሁ። ጉድ Question number 1, what is the primary function of stomata? A, to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. B, to provide structural support to the leaf. C, to anchor the leaf to the stem. D, to regulate gas exchange and water loss. So which one is the function? Which one is the function of stomata? Students, what's the function of stomata? Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? I think it's clear, yes? The correct answer is D. The function of stomata is to regulate gas exchange and what? Water loss. To regulate gas exchange, to regulate the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And it's also important to regulate water loss. So this is the major or the primary function of stomata. So the answer for question number 1 is D. Good. Question number 2, what the waxy layer that covers the upper epidermis of a leaf? A, mesophyll. B, cuticle. C, stomata. D, palacid. What is the waxy layer that covers the upper epidermis of a leaf from the given alternatives? I think it is clear. Cuticle. The correct answer for question number 2 is cuticle. Cuticle is the waxy layer that covers the upper epidermis of a leaf. Good. Question number 3, in which layer of the leaf are the cells irregularly shaped with numerous air space? Yes, layer of the leaf of cells irregularly shaped. They are irregularly shaped with what? Numerous air spaces or many air spaces. So which layer? A, upper epidermis. B, spongy layer. C, palacid layer. D, lower epidermis. Which one is the correct answer? Cells with irregular shaped with numerous air spaces. ትክክለኛ መልስ ማን ነው? Good. The correct answer for question number 3 is B, spongy layer. Good. Question number 4, why is palacid mesophyll the primary site of photosynthesis? A, it has large air spaces for gas exchange. Good. B, it is located just beneath the upper epidermis and its cells contain the most chloroplasts. C, it contains the veins for water transport. D, its cells are regularly shaped, increase surface area. Why is the palacid mesophyll the primary site of photosynthesis? What's the reason? Palacid mesophyll is what? Or palacid layer is what? The main site of photosynthesis. What's the reason? Why? Which one is the correct answer from the given alternatives? B, it is located just beneath the upper epidermis and its cell contains what? Most chloroplasts. Many or most chloroplasts are found within the palacid mesophyll. That's the reason why palacid mesophyll or palacid layer is the primary site of photosynthesis. It has large space for gas exchange. ይሄኛው ስፖንጅ ሌየር ነው ብለናል ወይ ስፖንጅ ሜሶፊል ነው ብለናል። ስለዚህ ትክክለኛው መልስ ቢ ነው። Question number 5, why are stomata typically more abundant on the lower epidermis of a leaf? A, to increase carbon dioxide intake from the ground. B, because the lower epidermis has more space. C, it reduces water loss that would be caused by different light on the upper surface. D, to be closer to the spongy mesophyll layer. Why are stomata typically more abundant on the lower epidermis of a leaf? በብዛት በሎወር ኤፒደርሚስ ኦፍ ሊፍ ነው የሚገኙት። በአፐር ኤፒደርሙ አይገኙም። በአፐር ኤፒደርም ትንሽ ነው ቢገኙ፣ አብዛኛው ሞር አባነት የሚገኘው በሎወር ኤፒደርሚስ ኦፍ ሊፍ ነው። እነዚህ ስቶማታዎች ሪዝኑ ምንድን ነው? ዋት ዘ ሪዝን ፍሮም ዘ ጊቨን ኦልተርናቲቭስ? ዛት ኢንክሪዝ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ኢንቴክ፣ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ለመጨመር ነው። ዛት ቢኮዝ ዘ ሎወር ኤፒደርሚስ ሃዝ ሞር ስፔስ። The correct answer for question number 5 is C, to reduce water loss that would be caused by direct sunlight on the upper surface. Yes, So the answer for question number 5 is C. ምን ለመቀነስ ነው? የውሃትነት ለመቀነስ ነው። ምክንያቱም አፐር ኢፒደርም ላይ ዳይሬክት የፀሐይ ብርሃን ያርፍበታል። ዳይሬክት የፀሐይ ብርሃን ካረፈበት የውሃትነቱ ይጨምራል። ስለዚህ አብዛኛው ስቶማታ የሚገኘው በየት ነው? በሎወር ኢፒደርምስ ከታች በኩል ነው የሚገኘው የውሃትነትን ለመቀነስ። So the answer for question number 5 is C. That is the reason why stomata are typically more abundant on the lower epidermis in order to reduce water loss. Good. Question number 6. What the primary function of waxy cuticle on the upper epidermis? On the upper epidermis, we get cuticle. We get waxy cuticle. What the reason? A, to absorb maximum sunlight. B, to produce oxygen. C, to restrict water loss by evaporation. D, to allow gas exchange. What's the primary function of the waxy cuticle on the upper epidermis? What's the primary function of the waxy cuticle on the upper epidermis? Is that to absorb maximum sunlight? To produce oxygen? Good. The answer is C, to restrict water loss by evaporation. So the primary or the major function of waxy cuticle on the upper epidermis is to restrict or to minimize or to reduce water loss by evaporation. upper epidermis ላይ ምን ታገኛላችሁ? ከቲክል ታገኛላችሁ። ዋክሲ ከቲክል ሰን የመሰለው ከቲክል ሰን የመሰለው ከቲክል ምን አድቫንቴጅ አለው? የውሃትነትን ለመቀነስ ነው። upper epidermis is covered by waxy cuticle. Why? To reduce or to minimize, to restrict water loss by evaporation. So the correct answer for question number 6 is C, to restrict water loss by evaporation. That's the primary function of waxy cuticle on the upper epidermis. Good. Question number 7. Where are stomata most abundant in the typical leaf and why? A, upper epidermis to maximize sunlight absorption. B, lower epidermis to reduce water loss from direct sunlight. C, palacid mesophyll to aid in food production. D, spongy mesophyll to facilitate water storage. Where are stomata most abundant in a typical leaf and why? ቅድም ተናግረናል። Why? Good. The correct answer for question number 7 is B, lower epidermis. They are found in the lower epidermis to reduce what? To reduce water loss from direct sunlight. Yes. አብዛኛው ስቶማታ የሚገኘው ሎወር ኤፒደርሚስ ላይ ነው። ቅድም እንደነገርኳችሁ የውሃትነትን ለመቀነስ። So most stomata are abundant within the lower epidermis in order to reduce water loss from direct sunlight. Good. Question number 8. Which leaf tissue layer contains the highest concentration of chloroplast and is primarily responsible for photosynthesis? A, upper epidermis. B, palacid layer. C, lower epidermis. D, spongy layer. Which leaf tissue layer contains the highest concentration of chloroplast and is primarily responsible for photosynthesis? Which one is the correct answer? Is that upper epidermis? Is that palacid layer or palacid mesophyll? Lower epidermis or spongy layer or spongy mesophyll? I think you got the answer. The correct answer is what? B, palacid layer. Palacid layer contains the highest concentration of chloroplast and is the primary site of what? Photosynthesis. Good. So the answer for question number 8 is B. Question number 9. What structure regulates gas exchange and water loss in the leaf? A, cuticle. B, stomata. C, chloroplast. D, mesophyll. Regulate gas exchange, regulate of carbon dioxide and oxygen, and regulate water loss. Which structure? I think it is simple. The correct answer is what? B, stomata. Stomata is structure that regulate gas exchange and reduce water loss in the leaf. So the correct answer is B. Question number 10. In which part of the plant does most photosynthesis occur? A, roots. B, leaves. C, flowers. D, stomata. I think the simplest question. Which one is the correct answer? Which part of the plant cell most photosynthesis occurs? Is that in the root, or in the leaves, or in the flower, or in the stem? I think it is bonus question. The correct answer is B, leaves. Good. Question number 11. What's the primary function of guard cells in a plant leaf? A. Transporting water and mineral from the xylem. Good. B. Providing structural support to the leaf's vascular bundles. Good. C. Absorbing sunlight for photosynthesis. D. Regulating gas exchange and water loss through the stomata. So which one is the correct answer? What's the primary function of guard cell in a leaf? What's the primary function of guard cell in a plant leaf? Is that transporting water and mineral from the xylem? ውሃና ሚነራልን ትራንስፖርት ማድረግ ነው። ስትራክቸራል ሰፖርት ነው። yes is that absorbing sunlight for photosynthesis? Good. The correct answer is D. The primary function of guard cells in plant leaf is regulating gas exchange and water loss through stomata. It controls the opening and closing of stomata. So the primary function of guard cell is to regulate gas exchange and water loss through the stomata. So this one is the correct answer. So the primary function of guard cell is regulating gas exchange and water loss through stomata. Good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this video for more biology exam questions. Share, subscribe, and like. Thank you for watching.